嗨，大家好，欢迎到来我的 YouTube 频道5分钟韩语。Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Chinese in 5 minutes.
In this session, I'm going to show you how to use Xiang and yao.
Xiang means want to. Yao means be going to.
Xiang means want to. Yao means be going to.
Xiang, it's little more like expression of desire. I'm sitting here daydreaming about eating ice cream. I really love to eat ice cream. Example in Chinese. 我想吃冰淇淋. I want to eat ice cream.
我想吃冰淇淋. I want to eat ice cream.
It doesn't necessarily mean you're gonna go through on it, but if you would like to say 我要吃冰淇淋, I'm going to eat ice cream. It means you're gonna go to your refrigerator, take some ice cream and you eat it. So it's different with Xiang. Xiang is a little bit more like feeling, so that why Xiang can also mean miss. I miss you. 我想你.
我想你. 我想你.
Do you miss me? 你想我吗?
Do you miss me? 你想我吗?
Let's look at another example, Xiang and Yao, in the sentences. So if I was walking on the street, I'm just like 我想喝茶.
我想喝茶. 我想喝茶.
I would like to drink some tea, but I haven't decided yet. I'm still thinking about it, but I really like that, you know. And then if I made up my mind, I'm gonna say, I'm gonna drink some tea. So 我要找个茶馆.
So 我要找个茶馆. 我要找个茶馆.
I'm gonna find a tea house. I'm gonna drink some tea over there. Let me give you another examples of using Xiang and Yao. 我想吃炒饭.
我想吃炒饭.
I want to eat fried rice.
I want to eat fried rice.
I want to eat fried rice, and I don't decide it yet. It's still on my mind. It's different with Yao. 我要吃炒饭.
我要吃炒饭.
I'm going to eat fried rice.
I'm going to eat fried rice.
Again, 我想回家. I want to go home.
我想回家. I want to go home.
I just express myself I want to go home. But I haven't decided yet. It's different if I say 我要回家.
我要回家.
It means I have decided it that I'm gonna go home. Now is the time to review. Remember with Xiang,
Remember with Xiang.
Xiang is a little bit more like feeling, emotion and desire. Xiang is a little bit more like a dream and thought.
A little bit more like a dream and thought.
And Yao is about wanting something, needing something.
But the main point is Xiang is want to. Yao is be going to.
Okay everybody, I'm not sure this video is clear enough for you, but hopefully this video is useful. I need your comment to support and improve this channel. And thank you very much for watching. Also thank you to have subscribed, like and comment. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to use 可以 and 能.
In the next video, I'm going to show you how to use 可以 and 能
that have meaning as may or can. So, see you in the next video. 再见.